Wow, that was full of energy and was a vibrant presentation. It gives me immense pride and pleasure to introduce a personality who has not only taught dance but has shaped discipline, dedication, and devotion through art, our respected guru, Yashoda Gokul. Yashoda Gokul, ma'am, is also a part of Shankara Bharanam in Singanallur branch as a Bharatanatyam teacher. True to this eternal kural, at Sri Kalalaya Academy, we believe that the presence of a guru is the root of all learning. Guru Kalaivarmani, a Yashoda Gokul, is our guiding light, a beacon of knowledge, compassion, and cultural rootedness, who inspires her disciples to bow not just in reverence but in deep gratitude. Her journey in dance began with a Natya Visharada Adal Kalayamani in a 3-year diploma from the Government Music College, Coimbatore, followed by Nattuvanga Visharada, a 2-year diploma from the Government Music College, Chennai. Her love for learning further led her to complete a master's degree in dance from Annamalai University and an MPhil in dance from Tamil University, Tanjavur. This verse reflects her perfectly. Not only has she uplifted her students through rigorous training, but has also instilled in them the higher purpose and discipline that Bharatanatyam demands. Her sincere dedication and impact in the field of classical dance has been honored with many recognitions. Kalaivalarmani title by the government of Tamil Nadu 2007 to 2008 in the Nilgiris district, Trailblazer Award by the Source of Wisdom Foundation, Natya Kala Ratna Award by the Vagai Awards. There are few echo her essence. As a guru, she doesn't just instruct, she nurtures. With a mother's love and a sage clarity, she brings out the unique potential in each of her students. In 2009, she established Sri Kalalaya Academy, which has grown into a flourishing institution with branches in Tirupur, Chennai, and Coimbatore, and over 1,000 trained students. Her guidance continues to shape not only talented performers but also confident individuals who now teach in reputed institutions, carrying forward her legacy. This vision lives throughout her work. For every moment she teaches rooted in tradition, yet vibrant with presence relevance. Through her, the rhythm of Bharatanatyam has found new life in countless hearts. Her nurturing approach sets her apart. With gentle words, patient corrections, and thoughtful encouragement, she has created a learning space where discipline is firm yet filled with empathy. Our Guru Yashoda Gokul is not just a teacher. She is a poet in movement, a scholar in rhythm, and a mother in guidance. In her presence, art becomes devotion and learning becomes a journey inward. And through her life and teaching, this truth resonates in every step. Let's give her a good round of applause.
இத்தகைய பெருமையுடைய குரு சங்கராபரணத்தில் ஆசிரியராக இருப்பதற்காக நாங்கள் பெருமிதம் கொள்கிறோம்.
We now move to Alarippu, a pure Nrita piece symbolizing the awakening of mind and body. The word Alarippu means to blossom, just like a flower slowly opening to greet the sun. In the same way, this item has no lyrics. It focuses on rhythmic movements of head, eyes, neck, shoulders, and limbs, helping the dancer gain control, balance, and concentration. This is set in Tishra Ekatalam.
அடுத்த நடனமாக அலாரிப்பு. நடன உடுப்படிகளில் ஒன்றான அலாரிப்பு அழகு, அலரிம்பு, அலர்ப்பு ஆகியவற்றிலிருந்து பெறப்பட்ட சுத்த நிறுத்த உருப்படியாகும். அலா என்றால் மலருதல் என்று பொருள். நடனமாடுபவர் தன்னை மலராக இளரவனிடம் அர்ப்பணம் செய்வது போல அமைந்துள்ளது. மேலும் இது தலைக்கு மேலிருந்து கடவுள், குரு, சபை ஆகியோருக்கும் வந்தனம் கூறி கழுத்து, தோள், பாதம், பின் உடல் முழுவதுமான இயக்கமாக ஆடப்படுகிறது. இன்றைய நடன அமைப்பாக அமைந்திருப்பது ஆறுமுக நலாரிப்பு ஆகும். தாளம் திஸ்ரயேகம். இயற்றியவர் தஞ்சை நால்வர்.
தள்ளாங்கு தக்க தத்திக்கிட்ட தோம் தா தெய் தெய்யும் தா தாம் கிட்ட தக்கதா தெய் தெய்யும் தா தாம் கிட்ட தக்கதா தெய் தெய்யும் தள்ளாங்கு தக்க தத்திக்கிட்ட தோம் தாம் தாம் கிட்ட தக்க தெய் தா தெய் கிட்ட தக்க தாம்
சத்தமோட